Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about euro against dollar. Now pay attention because this is the most traded pair, so you need to get this right. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you'll find these links. Click on join free Telegram channel to get into my Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. Check out the pro firms and the broker right here. Sign up with these brokers and trade separately in these accounts with my signals, okay? So when you are going to trade with my signals in the future, make sure you have a separate account. Don't mix anything. I need the accurate data in the future. So sign up and check out these links, subscribe, like, whatever. And coming back to the chart here, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. In weekly, we can see that we have made a new high. Yes, we did. Okay. So this previous high was broken by this blue candle. So we are still in the uptrend in Euro USD. That's as per the weekly time frame. So as per weekly, we took a pullback. Then again, blue candle and new highs created. That's in weekly chart. The trend is up. That's all we can figure out from weekly. So let's get back to daily. What's happening in daily chart? In daily, when we were around this, okay, when we were around this candle on 19th of May. So since 19th of May, I had been screaming that we will take down this high. Do you understand? Go and watch my previous, go and watch my Euro USD videos 10 days ago, okay? I had been telling when I was on this candle. When this candle was created, I was telling everybody that this high will be taken, which is taken right here, okay? So this candle, which is the highest for this candle was 1495. So I guess we might have completed the uptrend because my prediction was that we will go up to 1500. And, day before yesterday on Thursday, I guess, yes, on Thursday, we touched down 1495. This candle has touched down 1495. My prediction was that we will go to 1500. Okay, so 1495 is almost 1500. So I think we were there. And then Friday, what happened is on Friday, this blue candle was eaten by this long red candle. Okay, now this could be the start of the small downtrend. Okay, but we have to wait and watch, because if this previous low is broken, then we will continue going down until the EMA at least. Okay, now remember one thing, when I say going down doesn't mean that going all the way down. That could happen in next 1 week or so, that we will break the EMA. So unless we are not breaking the EMA, as you can see previously, none of the candles has closed below the EMA. Okay, so I am not looking for I'm not looking for going downtrend until this EMA is not broken. Okay, so until no red candles close below the EMA, the downtrend is not started. Do you get it? Okay, so far we are still in the uptrend. It's just that this last candle has eaten the previous blue candle. That means this could be the start of a new medium term downtrend. That downtrend could come all the way until this EMA, and then we might bounce back again, or we might continue going down. The time will tell. Okay, so what are you talking about? What do we do on Monday? Let's go back on 4 hours for that. Let's see what we can do on Monday. So on Monday, we can see that we have taken a pullback. This low is not broken. Okay, so where's my line here? Line is right here. This low is not broken, so I'm not taking any shorts until this low is broken. I'm looking for longs only. Okay, in 4 hour, we are still above the EMA. We have a rejection. As you can see, this red candle did not cross below the EMA in 4 hour, and then we have another blue candle which has closed above the EMA. Still, this blue candle has not eaten the previous red. Okay, so I will be entering long as soon I have the next blue candle, because we have to make sure this red candle is eaten sufficiently completely by the next blue candle. So if I see another blue candle in 4 hour when the market opens, I'm going long and taking my profit somewhere here. Okay, or else keep an eye if the new red candle forms. Okay, so on Monday when the market opens, you have a red candle which breaks this low, then look for shorts after each pullback. If there's a blue candle, then look for longs. Do you get it? Short after, you go and look for shorts after this low is broken by the red candle. Wait for the pullback, then go down after the red confirmation candle. Otherwise, if there is a blue candle, then go long and take a profit somewhere here. Trend is still up, but because on Friday we had this long red candle, I'm expecting that Monday we might be going down. But keep an eye on 4 hour, to see what happens in 4 hour. I told you already, if there is another blue candle, go for long. If this low is broken, go for short. And these are recorded videos, so I can only tell you what I see right now. And if you want some live action, make sure you are into my Telegram. Go and join Telegram, subscribe to the channel, and like button, all that. Join the brokers, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.